अच्छा और बड़ा मंच है। अदालत से लोगों को न्याय मिलता है, इसीलिए ये न्याय से करोड़ों लोगों का जीवन बेहतर बना है। द बेंच बियॉन्ड रिटायरमेंट विषय पर यह कॉन्फ्रेंस चल रही है। आप सभी के समर्पण को मेरा नमन है, सीएम ने यह भी कहा और साथ ही कहा कि आपके फैसले समाज को एक दिशा देते हैं। CJI सूर्य कांत भी यहां पर मौजूद हैं।
शर्मा जी, Honorable Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Justice Sanjeev Prakash Sharma, Honorable Acting Chief Justice of Rajasthan High Court and Executive Chairman of the Rajasthan State Legal Service Authority, Diya Kumari ji, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Rajasthan, very distinguished, my respected seniors and former colleagues, Justice Naveen Sinha, Justice Ajay Rastogi, Justice Rajesh Bindal, former judge of the Supreme Court of India, distinguished judges of the Rajasthan High Court, honorable former Chief Justices of the High Courts, Justice N.K. Jain, former Chief Justice of Sikkim High Court and President of the Rajasthan Chapter of the Association of Retired Judges of Supreme Court and High Courts, Justice K.L. Sharma, former judge of the Rajasthan of Allahabad High Court and National President of the Association of Former Judges, very respected guide and mentor Justice B.S. Dave, former judge of Rajasthan High Court and patron of the Association of Former Retired Judges, Justice Mahendra Goyal, Secretary General, other distinguished former Chief Justices and judges of the High Courts, learned Advocate General, learned Judicial Solicitor General of India, Registrar General, other officers of the Rajasthan High Court, Member Secretary, Rajasthan State Legal Service Authority, along with this entire team of the SALSA, very distinguished judicial officers of the Rajasthan cadre, members of the State Administration of Government of Rajasthan, very distinguished ladies and gentlemen, friends from media, Khama Ghani, warm greetings to all of you. It's an immense pleasure to be here, and right at the offset, I must commend the Association of Retired Judges of Supreme Court and High Courts of India and the Rajasthan State Legal Service Authority for convening such a timely and necessary dialogue. In my experience, the distance between a good idea and a good event is rarely short. It demands conviction, coordination, and a great deal of unglamorous work. That distinguished jurists from across the country have assembled here under one roof to deliberate on a question of genuine national consequence is testament of that sustained effort which we propose to initiate. Similarly, there is something fitting about gathering in Jaipur to speak of wisdom, experience, and the passage of time. Ladies and gentlemen, Rajasthan is a land that knows the value of preservation. Its forts preserve memory, its step wells preserve life. Both remind us that what endured across generations is not to be set aside, but drawn upon with gratitude and care. Rajasthani tradition has long held that the counsel of those who have walked the furthest path of life is not merely respected, but actively sought in moments of turbulence. It recognizes that experience is not an ornament to be admired from a distance, but a resource to be drawn upon when judgment matters most. As the old saying goes, the elder who has seen both the drought and the harvest carries with him a depth of understanding that no young farmer, however capable, can yet possess. It is in that very spirit that I join you all today not to merely preside over a ceremony of inauguration, but to initiate a deeper and more enduring conversation about continuation. When a judge retires, we arrange a function, we garland them, we present a shawl, and we speak warmly of decades of distinguished service. Then we quietly assume that the show will go on as usual even without them. The chamber is vacated, the files are handed over, and we move on. However, that critical assumption is, in my opinion, among our most wasteful traditions. For the robe may be retired, the judge never is. It is a truth universally known that once a judge is always a judge. And it is in that unwavering conviction that this national conference stands here. When the organizers asked me to frame an agenda for today's event, I couldn't help but recommend discussing the role of former judges in advanced